Okay, I have my navigation bar here. So I want to have a slider under my navigation bar. So I've already added these two sections, one for carousel and the other one for icons. Just like before, just some comment lines, and I just want to bring in all the codes between these two command lines. So I go to Bootstrap website again. In the component, um, in the list, I will find carousel, and then here you can see all the guides that you need and different types of sliders. For example, one with text on the top, or the other one very simple, nothing. The one that I like to have is this one, because I want to have this controller on my images, and then I want to see actually which image I'm looking at the moment. So I just copy all the codes. I go here, copy, paste everything. The only thing that I need to add to this code to have a slider here is add some image here in the source code. So what I've done, I put all of my images in a folder. I named folder images, and I put this folder in the root folder, which is test. So you remember we had CSS folder, JavaScript folder. Now I have all of our photos and images here. And in my assets, I have access to all of the images that I have. So now here I go and put the address of the image. So because I have all in the same, actually I have all the images in a folder which is called images, and then I have that folder in the root folder. So I just need to call the images folder. So just go here and type in images and the name of my image, which is banner 1. So I already changed the size of all the images for banner 1, and I saved all of them in exact same size, so I will have a consistent slider. If you don't do that, you will have different images with different sizes, and then you can't have that consistency because one of them should be maybe shorter, the other one longer, the other one maybe smaller. So just make sure before bringing all of your images in your website, just change the sizes um, like change the sizes as one you need to have in your website. Okay, I just continue with the rest of the images. So just do it faster. Okay, so I have two different images in my slide. I just save everything. I'll go to preview mode. Beautiful. I have my slider here, which is responsive. This is working, and this is working as well. Cool. Now I want to add another image. How I can put another image instead of 3, I want to have 4. How I can do that? Easily, I just need to take one of these codes for one image, copy, and then paste, and change the name of the image. If I save it, if I go to preview, now you can see I have 4 images, but here I still have 3 lines. So how I can fix it? I need to go back to my code. The easiest way is to go to the preview and just click on the lines. Then you can find which line of code is code for the element that you are looking for. But if you don't have the latest version of Dreamweaver, maybe you don't have this option. So just go and search for, just have a look and search the relevant code. So the only thing that I need to do, just to copy one of those lines and paste here, and then I need to change the number to 3 because 0 is for my first image, 1 for the second, 2 for third, and 3 is for the image that I just added. I save everything. I go to Google Chrome. Beautiful. Now I have 4 lines here and it's working. And just check. Yeah, it's working. Okay, good. Now I want to bring in icons. So I talked about grading in Bootstrap in the classroom. So I just want to put, I have 6 different social media icons. I want to have all of them in one row. So just call class row, and then I want to have in column dash small dash 6 and because there are images, just want to have tag for image, and in source I need to add the address of my image, which are in images folder, and so just put icon maybe social icons. Okay, just because I have 6 different, so just copy that one and paste 5 more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Okay, so now you can see all the 6 images here. I just need to change the name. So this one should be Google. Okay, the other one should be for LinkedIn. The other one, Pinterest, Facebook. What else I've got here? Twitter. Okay. And the last one is for Twitter. Okay, cool. Now I save the file, go back to, oops, go back to Google Chrome. Yeah, beautiful. I have the images here, and yes, it's working beautifully. Okay, so I think, yeah, so I think it's enough for now. So I will come back with part, what part should be, or maybe 3 or 4. Okay, thank you guys for watching.